Alright, so here's my 1941 KMM typewriter. It's in mostly good shape, but when I got it, the main thing that I noticed that was wrong is the bill didn't work. Just a second, let me get the cat off the chair here. Okay, so basically when you look at it normally, this shroud is back here, so it took me a while to even find the bell. But anyway, you get that shroud off there and you can clearly see what has to happen. And basically, okay, this little bit here that moves with the carriage, I'll get the cat hair off the screwdriver. Okay, that little bit comes in contact with the black piece down here, and in turn moves some other levers and springs, and you hear your nice little bell ring like this. So it's pretty much just getting jammed up there, so we just grab some gun oil and a Q-tip, and what I'll do here is I'll just move the carriage over a little bit. I'll just hit the space bar for a second here. You can see that's moving closer, and now it's starting to activate it. Almost there, and there it goes.